The leader of the opposition, please be brief and you express your concern, then I will.
Sir, thank you very much. आपने मुझे समय दिया, इसीलिए मैं आपका धन्यवाद करता हूं। तो आज हमने जो नोटिस दी है रूल 267 में, उसका उद्देश्य क्या है, सब्जेक्ट क्या है और कौन कौन हमारे सदस्य नोटिस दिए हैं, उनका नाम, सब्जेक्ट ये बताना चाहिए। ये परंपरा रही है। जैसा कि निचले हाउस में एडजर्नमेंट मोशन जब देते हैं तब भी ऐसा ही वहां पर किया जाता है और यहाँ पर भी किया जाता था। लेकिन सडनली जो सदस्य अपना नाम दिए हैं, अपने नाम से नोटिस दिए हैं, उनका नाम भी नहीं पढ़ते, सब्जेक्ट भी नहीं पढ़ते, ये अच्छा नहीं। और आप साहब, मैं आपका I don't want to embarrass you because today is the first day of working. See, you try to see everywhere. The earlier they used to see one side, only Nadda sahab. Now, sir, you are seeing only this table down, and you are not seeing us.
What I have to see? You want me to see all the people in the world?
Yeah.
That I have to see?
That's why.
That I am not going to
1 minute. That I raised my hand.
You are a very elderly senior leader. When the house is in order, I will listen to everyone. When the house is not in order, how a chairperson can listen to everyone?
Sir,
what to listen? You are speaking, I am listening now.
No. You see, house order में लाना आपका काम है, सरकार का काम है, हमारा नहीं। हम जो चीज नहीं, हम जो सब्जेक्ट आपके सामने रखते हैं।
Yesterday you have raised some points. Immediately I asked the Parliamentary Affairs Minister to respond. He responded. He wants some time, but you are not agreeing.
No, he evaded. Yes, sir. You allow us to.
Everybody, they are.
We should
never. Yesterday, the Parliamentary Minister has never said. No. Please. Yesterday, the Parliamentary Affairs Ministry has responded positively. He seeks some time for answering to your request. That we should give to him.
No time, sir. These are the urgent matters. People are dying, and SIR is going fast, and nearly 12-13 people have died. And BOL, 28 people have died. Sir, this is an urgent matter to save democracy.
You put your words. I will ask the government to respond.
I want discussion should take place now only. And in the interest of democracy, in the interest of citizens, in the interest of the country.
Okay.
Please, I request you, sir, you should allow.
I will ask.
You should allow for discussion. Our members are ready. We will definitely cooperate with you. We don't want to say anything. Kindly allow, so we will keep quiet. And one by one we will speak.
I will.
And Parliamentary Affairs Minister has come.
I will ask Honorable Leader of the House to respond. Sir. You want to respond? They are asking, you want to respond?
Sir, as the leader of the opposition has raised the question of the discussion and about 267, Rule 267, and as yesterday the Parliamentary Affairs Minister had said that we will come back, today I am told by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister that very soon there is a meeting going to take place with the opposition leaders, and accordingly we will decide about it. That Parliamentary Affairs Minister will tell.
No. No. You want to respond? Rijiji? Yes.
Yesterday, what I said, please don't put timeline condition on anything. Now, I have. दोरा जी, आपका आवाज बहुत ज्यादा जोर है. Sir, my only limited request is that I'm going to engage with the leader of oppositions from different political parties. It may be formally, informally, but ultimately it will come to you, sir, formally once we start the process of some consultation. Now the problem starts. Problem begins when you start questioning the time. Everything cannot be mechanical. In parliamentary democracy, we have to engage in dialogue. We have to engage in discussion. There are many issues in the country. You should not undermine one issue and take up another issue. All the issues are important. All the issues are important. Government, ये देखिए सर, आप चुनाव नहीं जीत पाते हैं, जनता आपको विश्वास नहीं करते हैं, और आप जो है गुस्सा या सदन में निकालते हो, ये तो बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है. लोकतंत्र में चुनाव का प्लेटफॉर्म जनता का बीच होता है. ये कल भी हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि यह बिजनेस तैयार किया गया है, हम लोग चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन एक बात तो हम लोग औपचारिक मिलना तो चाहिए. ये टाइम बताते कि अभी बताओ कब से होगा, ऐसा कोई तरीका नहीं होता है.
You please go back to your seats. The minister has agreed to discuss with the opposition leaders. Let it happen in the evening, and tomorrow let them come back to us. Till that time, we will stick on to our. We will proceed with the listed business, please.